Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin with essential items: eyes of Ender, a sword, armor, and torches. Throw one eye and watch its flight. It always moves toward the nearest stronghold, so mark that direction. Once done, walk in short, straight bursts. Throw again every 150-200 blocks to correct course. Make sure to avoid tall mountains. You want clear line of sight. If the eye drops, pick it up and continue. This quick rhythm of throw, walk, throw keeps you efficient and reduces wasted travel. Once you have a general direction, triangulate by throwing eyes from two different spots to form intersecting paths. Where they converge, you're above the stronghold. Make sure to dig carefully. Use a 1x2 shaft and place torches to reveal stairs or rooms. If the eye goes downward, start branching at cave level. You're close. Bring blocks to seal off silverfish spawners and torches for visibility. This careful, methodical search prevents falling into lava and locates the portal room faster. You found the portal room. Clear nearby mobs and break any extra blocks hiding frames. Place eyes into each end portal frame. If an eye won't insert, check for a missing frame or misaligned block. Once the portal forms, step back and prepare. Potions and spare blocks help. If things go wrong, eyes flying off or you can't find the room, retrace your throws or use coordinates to return to earlier triangulation points. That single troubleshooting move usually resolves lost stronghold problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.